tilapia. They're literally enjoying themselves. They're sunbasking. You can clearly see the fish. They are enjoying themselves. See? Yeah, we are watering our plants. Cabbage. Here we have 2 sprinklers. This one and the other one there.
Usiinuke kwanza, uweke chini kwanza.
Ni sawa. Uko chini pale kwa wao. Twende ageni za wao. Uangalie juu. Ageni za wao. Ageni za wao. Ageni za wao. Ageni za wao tupande. Sawa. Ageni za wao tupande kabisa. Tupande. 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 Tupande wa kwanza.
Pia hapo hakuna mob. Kama soke mwenole, zinafai kuwa zinaruka juu. Ama zinagonga hadi maji. Kwa mola rusopu na nzama kimotegeta igere ndari. Nakula nini? Moja.
Nakula yote. Sema mmoja.
Nani? Nange kila kwa vere.
Hapana.
Tani kula hii.
Haya, ageni za wao. Haya, tupande.
At least imeruka juu. Amjaganga maji hata moja. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Leave a comment that I may know if I may keep on updating you on when we are doing these things, how we feed them, the challenges we face during fishing, the challenges we face during feeding them, the feeding time, and all that, guys. Actually, this is fun. At times you may fall, and it's not just fishing for food, it's also therapeutic. The water, everything about it so beautiful.
Tupande.
Mbona kireke?
ukiingianga kwa maji utazidi ubati kwingi ugugu gathoti umenyoteka kifundu kwa kwingi
originality. We are done fishing. Hey, si unataka tuonyeshe the final products. Ooh. After all the struggle, we've managed to get to harvest these ones at least. Yeah, being the first time fishing, I'm proud. I'm proud. You see? Let me show you how I'm looking at. I'm looking like. See me, I have water all over. See? Water. Even my hair. But it's okay. At least I have fish. And I've known how to fish. Kudos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. For the returning subscribers, continue watching. For the new viewers, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice one. Thank you. Yeah, this is the finishing product, final product. You see? I'm deep frying there. Yeah, these ones. Yummy.